Hey guys, it's Deborah from Timelessjewelbydebra. How are you? How are you? All right, so we opened up some of the earlier boxes. So this one came most recent, 4/2 of 23. I think this one is Mechanicsburg. Yes, Mechanicsburg. So we can compare and contrast to our last few boxes that we have had. All right, and that's when I mark it when it gets here, so that way, like if I'm putting them away in a room, I have a storage area that I like to put them in the house. That way, I can kind of mix them up a little bit. So, all right. So it looks like I ordered this March 29th, 2023. All right. No bag. Wow. No bag. That's getting crazy. Okay, so let's take a peek at what we got here. So we got some necklaces. Looks like some bracelets. Look at that. Look, you guys see that? That is not even in a bag. Wow. So that's pretty scary. Those could have slid right out. Wow. So, I don't know what's going on with Mechanicsburg. Okay, make sure there's nothing under there. Nope. Not that I see. Okay, well, hopefully we've got 15 pieces. So let's see here. Knock you guys all over. So what I do is, if you don't know me, I'm Deborah from Timelessjewelbydebra. I go through, and I will take each piece out and we'll go through it and see, you know, what we've got. Okay, it looks like this must have fallen out of there. So yeah, I'm excited to see what we got. Scary that they're not putting this stuff in bags anymore. So, I don't know. All right, I'm going to take it out and we will lay it out and get started. So I have everything laid out. I'm going to push it off to the side. We got some nice pieces, you guys. Yay. It was nice to pull out the gem tester and the gold and silver tester. So yay. I will move this off and we'll get started. So starting off with the earrings, we have Evie and Emma. Evie and Emma. Really sweet. Like, I think these are like a rattan straw earring hoop. They were originally $28, I think it says. $26. Super pretty. I like those. They're perfect for summer. Let's do $5 on those. All right, where did I put my little tweezers? Okay, I moved them over. All right, so these are adorable. I'm going to hold it up this way. Okay, so these are a really pretty gold tone ball earring. So they open like this. And they're just super pretty. They're in really, really nice condition. Let me move those up here. I don't see any maker's mark on them, but they are lovely. So for these gold tone ball earrings, let's do 5. All right, then we got these really pretty earrings, but it's missing a stone, which is too bad. Missing a stone right there. They are lovely, but yes. So since it's missing a stone, these we're going to do at craft for $2. I know someone might be able to find a stone for that, or take the stones out and recreate something beautiful. So, and there's no maker's mark on those. All right, so these are marked Celine, but I am not positive if they are true Celine or if they're knockoffs. They are cute. There's a pair of earrings that sold like this on the Real. They were exact same except for they were clip. But the back, the signature looked different. So on here, it says Celine right here, but it doesn't say made in Italy. So I am going to be doing some more research on these earrings. So If these are real Celine, then we've got a great winner here. If they are knockoff, they're still really pretty. So I will be doing a little bit of investigating. Let's see if I bring that up, if you can see that. So it just says Celine, but yeah. So not positive on these if they are legit. So if you guys have any information, let me know in the comments. You guys always are a wealth of knowledge, and I appreciate that. We all can learn from each other. So let me know if you think these are real or not. So those aren't for sale now. These are really pretty. These are costume, of course, and they are the ear crawlers and cup. So it goes into your ear, goes up this way with a dangle with crystals. Aren't they beautiful? I've never tried to wear these, this style, and I don't know. I'm not sure if they're very comfortable or not. You guys let me know. I've never worn this style, but they are beautiful. Silver tone with rhinestones. Here is the back. Looking really, really nice condition. So for these crawlers, let's do 6. And this came, and it says handmade. And then on here, the company or the Etsy seller was Wear How You Want. Natural stone jewelry. Wear what you want .etsy.com. And they are really pretty. These are like a teal color pearl. And I love this cat's eye design glass. It's like a satin. It's a beautiful. So they're silver tone, and they come on here. They're just lovely. Nice gift idea. Pretty. So for these, let's do 8. Then we have from Wear How You Want at Etsy.com another piece. This is a bracelet. This is shell. Bring that up there so you guys can see that. Super pretty with glass. I love this little charm at the end. It's got a little beautiful colors in it. So let me get you guys a measurement. I did not measure it. Now it does have an extender, so it's currently sitting at 6 1/4, but it does have another inch and I would say about 1.5 inches. Oh yeah, 1.5 inch extender. So this could go up to an 8. So for this gorgeous bracelet, let's do 10. Then we got this. At first I saw this and I was like, what the heck is that? This is a Fitbit Flex 2 bangle. So in rose gold. So here's what it looks like. You open it here. I got to be smarter than this. Excuse me. All right. As she struggles to get it open. Okay, so you have to push on it. I was like trying to pull it a little bit. You got to push down on it. So this opens here, and you put your Fitbit Flex in there, and it's like a little magnetic so that you don't have to have your Fitbit like I have. This would not fit. It would not look so, you know, whatever. This would look better. So this is in a rose gold. This, I believe, is their size small, so it's about 6.5, 6 1/4. These sell for $100. This has a little bit of a wave to the metal there in the rose gold, so we can do this for 15. Next up for the bracelets, J. Crew, new with the tag, is a textured gold tone hinged bracelet. Let's see if I can open this one. Oh my goodness, it was originally $49.50, and it's sitting at about a 7. It is lovely. Love that it's new with the tag, and it has the double dots, so I think that is factory outlet. I am not positive with the 2 dots on that. I can't remember. And then it's a nice chunky, and it's textured. So let's do 15 on that. Let's move that off to the side. All right. Then we got genuine kukui tree nuts in black with rope. These are out of Hawaii. They're kind of cool. It's from abcstores.com. It's interesting. I have never worn nuts. That just sounds so funny to say. Let me go ahead and give you guys a total measurement on this so you can see, because you can make it adjustable. So from ribbon end to ribbon end, it's 42 inches. So those are cute. So for the kukui nuts, we can do 5. All right, let's move that off a little bit. Okay, this is really cool. It's heavy. So I believe this is ceramic. I'm going to bring this up. A couple of these have some like color loss, so I'm not positive if it's ceramic or if it's a stone. You know, it's hard to say. Very cold, but ceramic is very cold. I'm leaning towards ceramic on some of these. Let me bring them up so you guys can see. A few of them have a couple little marks from being knocked against each other. Like there's a little color right there. But it's super pretty. Nice for this time of year when it's getting warmer. Barrel clasp. Very nice. Oh, here it is. This is the one I wanted to show you guys. Let me see if I can get that in there so you can see. There is some color loss and like a chip, but it's still beautiful, and this would be something that could be reused as well. And this is 22 inches total length. Let's do 3 on this due to condition, but they're pretty. All right, and then we have a gold tone panel necklace. It kind of reminds me of a Trifari, but it's not Trifari. It's textured on this side and plain on this side. You can tell there's some perspiration or perfume marks on it. And also, a lot of these rings here are silver tone. It measures in at 16 inches. Due to the wear on this, I'm going to put this in craft, and we'll do that for $2. Then we got Kendra Scott. This is beautiful. It's like in a pewter color. Silver tone necklace. This is called the Susanna, S-U-S-A-A-N-N-A, and silver tone. Beautiful druzy. Love the Kendra Scott. Here is her hang tag in case you come across this out in the wild. And here is the marking. It says Kendra Scott. So for this necklace, we can do 40. And then we come to these guys. So this first piece is sterling silver with pearl. It is beautiful. I think I have my millimeter gauge here. Let me see the size on this pearl. It is nice. It is about a 10 millimeter. So it's sterling silver. I'm not sure if it's Onora or not. Here is the marking. It's really difficult to see. Let me see if we can get it up here like that. So I was trying to check it out a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. I really miss my other little thing. So yeah. I even tried using my microscope for this, but I just cannot get that clear enough to see what it says. So I will bring that up. So yeah, I'm not sure if that's the Honora mark or not, but it is a beautiful ring. This is a size 7, and it is gorgeous and tested, of course. And I can do 40 on that. Beautiful. All right. So we have got a 14 karat gold diamond. I tested it with my diamond tester. I also tested it with the blacklight for the diamonds. And it really shines nice on when it hits that carbon. And it's just another way that when you're out that you can kind of sort of know that it's a diamond while you're out without testing it. You know, that's just one trick in the toolbox. There's many tricks. But yeah, and then I tested it. So it is 14 karat gold. It is a buckle ring. 14. Let's see what size. I don't even remember. So this is a size 7, really gorgeous. So what I'm going to do with this piece is, if you guys are interested in this, send me an email. I can give you a pre-sale price. Otherwise, it will be coming to one of my live sales probably in May, unless it becomes unavailable before then. But it would be at the end of May or June that I would bring it to auction. Maybe this weekend. Who knows, right? So if I don't get any inquiries on this, I may bring it up this weekend and then hold on to it for a couple months. But yeah, it is 14 karat gold and diamond. Lovely, lovely ring. So yeah, email me if you guys are interested in this. So you can email me at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. And both rings are size 7. Got the 14 karat gold and diamond. We have the sterling silver with pearl. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So let me know, out of all these pieces, what you like the best. I mean, come on. Of course, we love diamonds and silver. But what do I love otherwise? I like the J. Crew bracelet, and I love this Kendra Scott druzy. I love it. So yeah, leave me a message, let me know, and if you are interested, send me an email at timelessjewelbydebra@gmail.com. All the info is right down here. I will need a timestamp or a screenshot. The video name or date would be very helpful, and I invoice through PayPal. So yeah, all right, you guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. And yeah, I was really happy. So I think I'm going to open up another box that came on the same day as these did. And let's see, because it came from Mechanicsburg as well. So, all right, you guys, love you. Take care. Be well. Bye.